Welcome back. So I'm using my Huawei MatePad 12X. So to install additional language to your keyboard, go to settings, search for keyboard, then under default, okay, select the keyboard you are using. For instance, I'm using Celia keyboard, so I will go under Celia keyboard, and under languages, just search for the language you want. Let's say I want Chinese. Okay, just install it. Okay, now I have Chinese, so just trigger the keyboard. As you can see, I have Chinese now. Okay, and Chinese can trigger between two different languages. One is English, one is Chinese. Okay, see, to go back to the original English, you have to press few times quickly. Okay, now it's back to United States English. Okay, Chinese, 1 2, English. Okay, alternatively, you can just long press this button here and select English United States. So there are two different ways to switch between different languages. So this is how you install Chinese language on this Huawei MatePad. Okay, and this is in Pinyin. Okay, so I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any other questions. Have a good day ahead.